Bro, look how close this dude's parking to me. Bro. Alright, what's up? Being chill with look, bro. He's gonna hit my door. He's gonna hit my door. Call right now. This motherfucker. Look at, oh my god, bro.
I didn't hit your car. Stop fucking
Yes,
lying.
you did.
With Gucci, dog. Check it out.
Bro, no, te paso la verga, wey. What the fuck is this?
Nah, bro.
What the fuck would you feel? He's up with.
Am I gonna get shot? Alright, I have a mask. Don't roast me. And I'm a PS4 boy now.
I know you're a fuck boy.
Can you go wrong with the that section? Well, I came all the way down here. I'm not even fucking buy it. I'm not even gonna want to go. Shit. I want to wear this shit.
Bro, you actually hit my car, man. I was actually upset.
No, I didn't.
You upset me.
Alright, bro. I'll give you my license plate and my insurance.
Nah, bro. He's gonna do. You're gonna buy me a sandwich now.
Can you go move my car? I'm gonna hit something. I don't want to hit this car right now.
Your fucking Sprite can, my boy.
Well, look at the wind.
What is he doing? Why is this park?
He doesn't have a license. Leave him alone.
Bro, why would you park it? Why
Why's your bitch ass talking shit?
It was him.
Oh, here, take over the vlog.
Yeah, bro. Let me just grow another arm.
All right, here. I'm gonna leave the camera right here. You guys can hold it and do whatever you want. Don't do no gay shit, please.
I know Jose for like 10 years of my life. He is a bitch. And he drives a Sprite can. He drives a fucking Sprite can that's been stepped on.
Yeah. Food change
Alright, bro. Alright, bro, chill. Hey, bro, chill. You hit my car. Bro, you hit my car.
Bro, actually, I was hoping to hit your car. Give it a little nice little.
My car
tap.
already fucked up from the back.
Bro, what happened to the trocona? La pinche mamalona, bro.
This. I told you to get this. Dude, you know how much I paid to fill this shit up right now?
25? That's how much I paid for this one.
$5.
25 to fill the whip, you know what I'm saying? Hey, which one of your pussy niggas want to hit this?
And then Anthony hit it. He'll hit it. He's not a
Bro,
pussy.
hey Anthony, come on, bro. I see you fucks with it, bro.
My mom sees this shit. That would be funny. He's like, ugh.
Bro, let me see if it's a blink.
Put the mask on and then release it. It's gonna look fucking dope.
Oh. Hey, he hit it though. Hey, he hit it though.
I'm gonna hit it.
You're gonna hit it, bro?
Bro, he's dying over there. What'd you give him?
I'm gonna let you know.
Smoking dog ass.
Are you okay, man?
What?
Are you okay?
No. Me estoy muriendo, güey. Puro pinche mamada.
Hey, bro, can I be your cameraman when you blow up? I'd be down to record your shit.
I'll be down with that.
I'd be down to record your face rug type videos. He's like, we built a water park in our backyard. The contestants,
imagine-
Brandon.
Daniel. Isaiah. Fuck Daniel.
Fuck Daniel. Daniel Gonzalez.
Daniel's a fucking simp.
Damn, bro, he's a sip. Bro, Daniel, get your sweet booty cheek clapping ass over here right now. Play my magic. Hey, say something about Daniel, bro. Why is he in here?
He's a simp.
Dude, are you okay?
This was gonna make merch one day.
Bro, we're gonna have merch, bro.
Dog
Merch. Bro,
How are the COVID-19 restrictions around your area, your community? Like,
no one gives a fuck, bro. Dude, okay,
I
let
love
me say-
humanity.
No, people go in there with no mask. Like, they get pissed off. Like, what the fuck? Since when? Some guy got all political with me. He's like, oh, this is what happens when you get Democrats. I'm like, what the? What? Man, I just told you to put a mask on. You want some edibles?
You remind me of.
Why
You
not?
remind me of that.
Bradley Martin sold me black tar heroin.
Oh, that's some nice ass rings.
He's scared we're gonna pull an X key out of our ass. Take the fucking rings.
This shit
They're
clean, bro.
pretty nice for legit.
Bro, there's a bench over there. We gotta keep those guys out. I caught. You're not gonna catch me slipping.
First bite. First bite.
First bite.
First bite. Oh.
I hit 120K, I think, or 130K.
Okay. What does that mean?
I'm fucking famous.
Hold up, bro. What?
Look at my video, like that one.
She was cracking
133.3 thousand.
Okay, and
20,000 likes.
how many followers? How many followers you got, bro? Just because you got one.
664.
1,000 or 6?
600? No, just 664.
That plug in. There we go. We good.
There
We
you
can
go.
put that little plug in with your boy.
Hit my line. I'm just kidding.
Bad bitches only. Big
Fat
booty.
bitches on.
Fat bitches only. Big booty Latina bitches or fat booty big BBW bitches.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying?
I bet you say.
Food was not gonna be provided.
Never mind.
I'm not gonna lie.
Mad at me because I told her sister she has a fat pussy.
No. Wait, what?
Wait, what?
No, I told
Her sister.
that my girlfriend has a fat pussy.
Oh.
Why do you hate Juice WRLD, bro?
Bro, who hates Juice
You
WRLD?
hate Juice WRLD?
I don't hate Juice WRLD, bro. I fuck with him.
Alright.
I'm just a troll, bro.
I'm just saying, bro. You're the wrong side of town if you hate Juice WRLD.
Yeah, says who?
Me, his biggest fan.
Bro, you got another sub sandwich?
Dude,
Open up. Respect the drip.
fuck. Hey, you want to be a guest on our podcast?
No. Yes.
Will your car make it?
Yes, my girl will make it.
We'll
dude.
set you up with a hotel and everything.
Set me up with
We'll
the
set you
hotel.
up with a hotel, everything. On us.
One-star
As our first
hotel,
guest.
Oh yeah.
motel,
Pay for my gas?
bunch of hookers on
Can I
Nah,
get a
except for
flight?
that,
Can I
nah.
get a flight?
Nah, you're not that far. You don't gotta fly.
Give me a train. Give me a train.
Train.
Can you get a train?
You see how-
All I'm asking for is for a train, dude.
A train?
A train.
A train.
I want to get.
A railroad train.
Bro, I want to take the train over there.
There is no train that goes over there. Just kidding. There probably is. I just don't know
I'll
it.
take the boat.
We get that arranged. Well, there's no fucking lakes over there. There's no ocean. There's nothing over there. It's fucking desert. You have to drive, man.
Bro, just give me a helicopter. All right, y'all.
See ya.
I'll see you later, Playboy. I love him. Oh, just let me hang like that.
You're going to the
I'm going home.
Baptism.
Baptism. Yeah, I'm going to baptism, bro. All right, catch you later, bro.
Peace out, dude.
Thank you, God.
Turning post notifications.
Oh, shit, bro.